Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pair Plantronics Voyager Legend. Press and hold the call button until the LED flashes red and blue to enter pairing mode. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone, scan for devices, and select Voyager Legend to connect. If prompted, confirm the pairing code or accept the connection. After successful pairing, test audio by playing a short clip and adjust volume on both devices as place the Voyager Legend comfortably on your ear and position the boom so it points toward your mouth for clear speech. Use the single multifunction call button to answer, end, or reject calls with quick presses. Adjust volume with the plus and minus buttons and mute the mic by sliding the mute switch. If audio sounds distant, swivel the speaker probe slightly until voice and media playback are clear and balanced. If pairing fails, restart the headset and your phone, then try again in a quiet environment. Remove any old Bluetooth entries named Voyager Legend from your device and reinitiate pairing to prevent conflicts. Keep the headset within 3 feet of your phone during the process and ensure no other device is actively connected. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset on the headset and repeat pairing from the beginning again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.